Hello everybody, in the next few video clips I'm going to show you guys how to use Assemble systems for a few tasks. Navigate bin, retrieve information from the bin, perform quantity takeoff, and use Assemble system to analyze the variance between two versions of bin. So in order to perform those tasks, we have to install a plugin between the Revit software and the Assemble systems. So the Assemble systems can do different things. If you guys are interested, you can always just go to Assemble systems website and find out what they can do. But for this course, we are only going to focus on the things that I just mentioned. I believe at this point you guys have already sign up an account for the Assemble systems. Just type in the OSU 2018 tryassemble.com in your web browser and type enter. So that should bring you up this login interface. Just type in your email address and the password that you sign up for and sign in. Once you sign in, you should have this page and click get the add-in. If you click that, this installer is going to be downloaded automatically, and once you finish downloading the add-in installer, just install it. While you are installing the software, make sure your Revit software is closed. Alright, since I already did all the steps, basically that means my software is ready to go. First, let's create a project. So basically this is the interface and everything is based on the cloud. You need to create a folder, a project folder. What I'm going to say for this one is going to be, I would say bin project. But for you guys, you will create your own. And I'm not going to upload any image for the folder that I'm going to create. I say create. So now I've got my bin project folder. The model that I'm going to publish, I'm going to put all under this folder. So make sure when you guys are using this software, just create your own folder or your group name so that it can be identified, because eventually you guys will see each other's model in this user interface. Alright, now I'm going to open up a model, and you guys can just use the project file that I share with you guys. So those are two files that I'm going to use. First, I'm going to open up the first version 1 model. This is the model that we are going to use. After we install the plugin of Assemble, the new tab Assemble will appear right over here. And we just need to publish this model to Assemble. Just type in this URL, then connect, type in your login information and sign in. And select the folder that you just created. And we can create a model. I just want the name to be structural model. I don't want to use the file name. And create. Then continue. There are different options for you to choose. You can include the sheets that you created, but for my case, I don't want to publish any sheets. I just want the 3D model and the data only. Continue. And the model version, I want to name it as version 1 or just V1. You can include some version comments if you want. Then hit publish. Then close. That means your model has been successfully published to Assemble. Now let's take a look at the model. Refresh your web browser. Click bin project folder. Here you can see this model that I just published. And if you would like to view the model, just click that. Then the 3D model is loading up. And this is the 3D model that we just published. Alright, that's just the process of publishing a BIM to Assemble. I'll see you guys in the next video.